Hey all, अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope all of you are doing great. Today we are going on a train journey. Any guesses to where we are going? Watch this video till end to know the location. For everyone it is morning, but for me it was still night. And trust me, I was not ready to wake up so early. Say good morning to India Gate. Good morning. It took almost an hour to reach the railway station. Now let's get started with the journey. We took Shatabdi Express, which left the station at 6:15 am. I was super excited for this journey cause I was about to meet my cousins. Our first station was Ghaziabad. By the time the tea was served, there was an option to choose between coffee and tea. So we chose 2 coffees and 1 tea. Cause I was traveling with my mom and sis. The combination of coffee and biscuit was okay. What a beautiful sunrise. Around 8 o'clock we reached Aligarh. Around 9:30 it was breakfast time. We chose 2 platters between non-veg and veg. Everything was packed very hygienically and nicely. We were impressed by the food quality and packaging. The service was also nice. After having our breakfast, I slept because I was super sleepy. Can't stop watching this mesmerizing view outside the window. And we missed to capture Tawa and Kanpur Junction. By now you guys must have guessed where we are going. And we are here. Welcome to Lucknow. मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में हैं. Now let's get home. Let's get the party started. Stay tuned to watch more upcoming vlogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.